Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back with another episode of Stash to Destash. So basically, I have so much stuff. How can I use it all? Honestly, I'm not. And so I don't want to just be a collector. I want to use my stuff. So if I'm not using it, it's time to kind of weed it out. It is hard to let it go, I will say that. And so I have sales twice a year to help me destash. And so I'm going to be having a sale the end of June, and then I have another sale usually around Black Friday. So you'll see a couple of, well, it's going to be an ongoing series of stash destash. So some of the items will be items that I haven't ever used or I've had for a while, and I use it and I either destash it or I stash it, meaning that I want to keep it because I think I'm going to use it again, or maybe I rediscovered why I bought it. But in a lot of cases, it's something I'm going to be destashing. And so the things that I'm going to be showing in this series is not going to be all that I am going to be destashing, because there's no way that I can make, videos or create before each sale with all the stuff that I'm going to be destashing. It's going to be, I hope, a good destash, because here's the situation. I pulled out jewelry nutting, and so I'm going to actually be destashing more jewelry nutting in my second sale during Black Friday. I just really don't have the patience to go through it right now in time for the sale in June. And so I've got a sampling, or I've got the ones I am going to be destashing in June, and there will be more because I know that there are more going to be destashing. And so I wanted to make like a card or like a tag, and I have the jewelry nutting. There's like a cardstock book or a paper book that has different colors of brown, which could be used for skin. And so I think I have two of them. Maybe I only have one because I might have destashed one, but I can't find it anywhere. It just tells me that like my craft room is seriously out of control, like out of control. So the idea is that I'm going to destash more each year than I pull in. So that's kind of going to be my goal, is that I'm going to start getting less stuff and getting rid of more stuff. We'll see how that goes, because I can't use all of this stuff, and I love it, but it's taking over this room to a way that I can't even find things. So having said that, let's get into today's destash or stash. So this is definitely a destash, I've already said. Some of these are like my very first doll stamp. Like I think this one was one of my very first ones. This one is called, I have no idea what she's called. I don't know. But she was one of my very first ones, I'm pretty sure. And she's one of the first ones I got as well, which I have no idea. Some of these older ones, I don't know if they necessarily have names. So these two. This one I used just for this tag. Let me show you guys. I don't even know if I think I did use her at one time or another. And Shay, I feel like I didn't use her. See the ones that are newer or not as old, they have names on them. Jeannie, I'm pretty sure I never used her. And this one is Ruby, pretty sure I never used her. And then this one, I think I definitely used her at one time, Valentina. And then I've got some boys, which I know I used one of these boys one time. So I've got this dude, and then there's like clothes for the dude. So these are all going to be in the destash, and I have no idea how much I'm going to be selling them for, because I'll just, list them. So this gives you an idea. What I did was, since I couldn't find that book of the different tans and browns, and I have like more than one of the, I don't know. I went through my paper stash and found some like random browns that I went ahead and I used on her. So really, One of the fun techniques you can do with the Julie Nutting dolls is paper piecing. It's my favorite way of using this, and so this paper pad is from Not Too Shabby Shop. I've had it in my stash forever, and it's the first time I've used it. And so I just went ahead and this tag is 8.5 by 4, and I just used a punch that I have that does that. And then I paper pieced her, so I stamped her a couple of times on different paper, and then I cut it all out, and then I ended up just kind of coloring in her hair, and that's it. So she's really easy to put together, and I really like her a lot, actually. I just don't have time to use all the dolls I have, and I have a lot. This die is actually from Tailored Expressions, and I love it because it just like layers, and I used some glitter paper from my stash, and then I actually pulled out some trim that I've had forever, and so some seam binding, and I was excited to kind of pull that out, and it just makes a really simple tag. I use black paper, and then you could just put a to from, you could put a message, whatever, and I think it's great. So anyway, that is my destash to stash, and we're going to destash. So these will be in my end of June, probably the end of June, maybe the 1st of July, around that time. I'm going to be putting all of these for sale, along with other goodies that are not, I can't show everything. I have a lot. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Paint the Heart.